Welcome to EcoPlants. Today we will learn how to grow one of the most loved vegetable, brinjal, also known as eggplant, right at home. Whether you have a pot, a grow bag or a small palace, you can grow plenty of brinjals easily with just a little care. Let's begin the exciting journey from seed to harvest. Why grow brinjal at home? First, easy to grow in pot or grow bag and give lots of fruits from one plant. Fresh, organic and chemical free produce look beautiful as a garden plant. You can grow different varieties, small, round, long, purple, white, even spread. What you need for grow a brinjal plant? First is brinjal seed or healthy nursery seedling. Pot or grow bag. Grow bag size and pot size is 12 to 15 inches deep and wide, and nutrient rich potting mix and compost or cow dung manure. Watering can, sunny spot like 6 to 8 hours sunlight daily. How to grow brinjal step by step. Step first is get seed or seedling. Buy brinjal seed from a trusted brand or nursery, or buy a healthy seedling, means small plant from a local plant shop. For seeds, soak them in water for 8 to 10 hours for better germination. Step second, preparation the pot and soil. Use a 12 to 15 inch pot or grow bag with drainage holes. Soil mix 50% 50% garden soil, 30% compost and 20% cocopeat or sand. Fill the pot and water lightly before sowing. Step 3 is sowing seed or transplanting seedling. For seeds, sow 2 to 3 seeds about 0.5 inch deep, covered lightly with soil. Or for seedling, transplant them gently with the root ball. Water gently and place in semi-shade for 2 to 3 days to adjust sunlight and temperature. Brinjal love warm sunlight. Best time to plant spring to early monsoon like February to July, and need 6 to 8 hours sunlight daily, and ideal temperature is 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Keep the soil slight moist, not wet, and water when the top inch of soil feel dry. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. In hot weather, water daily or on alternate day. Let's talk about brinjal plant growth stage. So that 7 to 10 days seed germination, and 3 to 4 weeks small plant with leaves, and 6 to 8 weeks plant start flowering, and 2 to 3 months fruit begin to appear. One plant can give 15 to 13 brinjal in its lifetime. Care and maintenance. Add compost every 20 to 30 days. Remove weed and dry leaves. Pinch the top of the plant when it's about 1 foot tall. It helps in brucey growth. Use neem oil spray to protect from pests like aphids or whiteflies. Support the plant with a stick if they bend. When to harvest brinjal. Brinjal are ready to harvest 60 to 80 days after planting. Pick when the fruit is shiny, medium size and soft to touch. Don't let them over ripen, they may become bitter. Keep harvesting regularly to encourage more fruit. Some bonus tips for you. First is choose early growing or drop variety for pots. Rotate the pot every few days for even sunlight. Use banana peel or onion peel water as a natural fertilizer. Brinjal plant live for 5 to 6 months and give continuously harvest. Grow with companion plant like basil or marigold to reduce pest. Growing brinjal at home is fun, rewarding and super easy. With just 1 or 2 pots, you can enjoy fresh, healthy brinjal from your own garden. If you like this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to EcoPlant for more simple gardening tips. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.